Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Difters Club. So today I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. Before going to our tutorial, first of all, why we do this process? For example, if your Instagram profile is in public mode, there is possible way to steal your personal data like photos, videos, and boys have no problem. But if you are a girl, this is very dangerous one. So to avoid these kind of problems, people are searching how to make Instagram profile to private, and this method also prevent unwanted messages and comments receiving from unknown person. So let's go to our tutorial. First of all, I try to open my Instagram application, and this is my home page section. In this section you can press that person icon and it is located at the bottom. And this is my Instagram public profile, but I try to change it. So in this profile section you can press that horizontal lines icon, and this icon is placed at the almost top of the right side, and then press setting, and there are some account related settings, so you can scroll down and then locate private account. Finally, I get my private account setting. Just click on just click to enable it, but it shows one notification. People remind one thing: before going to enable any setting, must read the setting information. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos, videos, and stories on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. Once you read the information, just click to OK. Finally, the setting is successfully enabled and my account is switched to privately. For more videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, The Difters Club. And thanks for watching.